Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video. I actually just already filmed this video, but for some reason my mic wasn't working. But I basically wanted to talk about my skincare routine, how I've been dealing with it over the past few years. Like, I've made countless videos on my skin for pretty much all of my time being on YouTube, and you guys have seen my transformation. You've seen how my skin has changed. Basically, I suffer from hyperpigmentation, large pores, a bunch of different acne scarring issues with like ice pick acne, me like picking my acne when I was a lot younger. So I actually got contacted by Humphreys Witch Hazel, and they have their new Witch Hazel alcohol-free organic line, and I wanted to just talk to you guys about it and show you what I've been using or what they sent me. So specifically for this video in particular, I wanted to use their Witch Hazel organic toner, and this is their Calm and Clarify with Lavender. I'm also going to be using their Calm and Clarify with Lavender organic mist. And what they like to do for these products in particular is make sure that they are still as potent and still have all of the ingredients that aren't harsh, so that you're getting kind of like the maximum amount of power for what you're getting. For me, I always used to think like beauty is pain, and for something to work, I have to feel something. But I think that nowadays, that's completely changed in the skincare game. Like, you don't actually have to feel like your skin is like ripping apart for you to know that it's actually working. So they did send me a lot of different toners. So I also got the Soothe with Rose alcohol-free toner, as well as the Soothe with Rose Witch Hazel alcohol-free mist. For whenever my skin is feeling inflamed or very rough, I could definitely use these two products over here. They also sent me the Soothe and Clarify with Rose organic mist here. For those of you guys that have oily skin like myself and you don't mind if there's alcohol in it, you can just get the organic one. They also have the alcohol-free toner with fresh cucumber, which I absolutely love cucumber in my products. They also sent me the one that has pure witch hazel, and then also they sent me Soothe and Clarify with Rose organic toner, and this goes with the Soothe and Clarify with Rose organic mist, the Refresh with Cucumber alcohol-free mist, the Recharge with Grapefruit alcohol-free toner. I can't wait to try this one, because like if my skin is just feeling a bit dull in the morning, I'd probably go for this specific toner. They sent me the Nourish with Aloe alcohol-free mist. Love the ingredient aloe on my face and my hair. I just think that it works really well to hydrate everything. The Recharge with Grapefruit alcohol-free mist, and the Clarify with Pure Witch Hazel organic mist. Yeah, that's what they sent me, you guys. So I'm gonna just be doing the lavender with the Calm and Clarify one. Humphreys has been around for over 150 years, and more specifically since 1854, which I think is crazy. Like, I was in high school, like the early 2000s. I used the original Witch Hazel toner back then, and that was my go-to because I just had horrible acne, and it really did a good job in helping to calm everything down back in the day. I think it's just really cool that they have alcohol-free versions of their toners now. Humphreys organic and alcohol-free toners and mists allow you to experience the botanical power of certified organic wild crop and witch hazel. It says that Humphreys organic and alcohol-free toners and mists allow you to experience the botanical power of certified organic wild crop witch hazel. Once harvested, we preserve our witch hazel's natural potency to produce a pure plant extract that's distilled, not diluted or polluted. You're getting the full amount of what you want in these products without it having to harm your skin in any way, which I think is great. Any products that are harsh for me, I tend to stay away from these days. That's not the case anymore. I'm getting older, I'm pushing 30 at this point, and I really want to take care of my skin and not mess it up. Our toners are complemented by a rich range of clean ingredients, including aloe, lavender, rose, cucumber, grapefruit, for a full line of organic and alcohol-free toners blended to meet your skincare needs. They are also sustainably manufactured, they're vegan and cruelty-free, and they are free from harmful dyes, sulfates, parabens, gluten, and phthalates. That's exactly how I feel when I apply these products. I've already applied my skincare, but before I start on my makeup, the Refresh with Cucumber one feels so good on my skin, guys. Truly loved the products. Like, my pores just feel a lot smaller, my skin just feels a lot more smooth, just the texture of it just feels really good. And I feel like toners are very essential. If you're skipping a toner in your skincare routine, I highly recommend that you put one in there, because it really does change the way that the products are able to sit and absorb into your pores. I'm gonna do a short little makeup tutorial for you guys, my everyday makeup routine after my skincare, because this is just what I do normally. Let's go ahead and get started. My skin is looking pretty moisturized, pretty good. I did my my serum, I did my moisturizer, everything after the toner and after my mist. So I think my skin is prepped and honestly ready to go. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this really quick. Okay, so I just finished doing my makeup and I feel like it actually looks pretty good after using the Humphreys Witch Hazel products. So this is like what I would normally do as like an everyday makeup look. You guys have seen this look plenty of times. I'm gonna probably leave this face on for a lot of today. I really do like how this makeup is looking. So Humphreys is doing a photo contest, which will get you a $250 Target gift card plus Humphreys line of alcohol-free toners. All you have to do is enter a photo of yourself using the product at home or an in-store Target to the website. Additionally, they are running a Target Circle app offer on March 31st through April 14th, which customers can save $5 on Humphreys toners when they use the Target Circle app. So I'm gonna put all the information down below for you guys as well. That is it for this video. I hope that you guys liked how I used the Humphreys products and how I got this face on. I really am loving how everything turned out. I love how my face feels. My pores feel really small and my face honestly just looks very flawless, and I'm just very, very happy with it. And I've been wearing this for about an hour now because I was taking some pictures for Instagram and everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you to Humphreys Witch Hazel for sponsoring this video, and I hope that you guys like the products. They are drugstore, they are affordable, so you are able to try them out and see how you like them as well. I'm gonna put all the products that I use below as well, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And that is it for this video. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day, and yeah, bye.
It's what keeps me alive.